America's job engine was back at work last month. Hiring rebounded in March as employers added to their ranks, despite some concerns that the economy may be starting to slow a bit. 196,000 non-farm payroll jobs were created last month. That was a bit stronger than it was expected. The unemployment rate held steady at 3.8%, and wages ticked slightly higher. Now, this report took on greater importance after February's especially anemic number had many asking if the hot economy had suddenly cooled off. Ylan Mui starts us off tonight.
Winter weakness melted away in March, and America's job market rebounded. The strong showing is a relief to investors. They were caught off guard when hiring dropped off in February. And today, President Trump cheered the bounce back as he left the White House for a visit to the southern border.
The country's doing really, really well. We have a lot of very exciting things going on. A lot of companies will be announcing shortly they're moving back into the United States. They're all coming back. They want to be where the action is.
In March, the biggest job gains were in the healthcare sector. It added 49,000 jobs. Hiring also picked up at restaurants and bars, which added 27,000 jobs. But some key industries did contract last month. Manufacturing lost 6,000 jobs, and retail was down nearly 12,000. And the share of people in the labor force also edged lower, falling from 63.2% to 63%.
If you want the economy to grow faster, you have to do something to increase productivity and increase labor supply. And one thing we saw in this morning's employment report is labor supply actually came down, and that's really the critical shortage in the U.S. economy right now. We don't have enough workers, even if we had more demand.
The worker shortage is translating into good news for wages, though. Average hourly earnings rose 4 cents to $27.70, and they've grown by more than 3% over the past year.
We're running out of workers, and so that will put upward pressure on wages as well, which makes it better for workers.
Economists say the key question now is, how much longer can this run last? For Nightly Business Report, I'm Ylan Mui in Washington.